Okay, here's go 51 through 60 here. First one is looking at a rectangular prism. Volume is easy. It's 10 times 9 times 8. If you multiply those all together, you get 720. Just make sure we're putting their units, which is centimeters squared. Surface area, it doesn't matter what you call the length and what you call the width. So I have 2 times 10 times 9 plus 2 times 10 times 8 plus 2 times 9 times 8. So that's 90, that's 180. 80 is 160. 72 is 144. Let's put that together. It's 340 plus 144 is 484 centimeters squared. All right. Surface area of a cylinder. You can see here we need the radius and the height. The height is 10. The diameter is 10. Radius is 5. We're going to round it to the nearest tenth. So this is what I'm going to put in my calculator. Watch, I'm going to do it all at once. 2 pi times 5 squared plus 2 pi times 5 times 10. So here we go. 2 pi times 5 squared plus 2 pi times 5 times 10. Hit enter. Comes out to 471.238898. So here's 471.238898 to the nearest tenth. And that comes out to 471.2. And we're at centimeters squared because that is surface area. Find the volume of the cylinder. Here's the formula. Let's see. 10 is the radius, 20 is the height, so we're doing the volume is equal to pi times 10 squared times 20. Okay, I'm going back to the calculator. Pi times 10 squared times 20. 6283.185. 6283.185. I didn't use this. 3.14, I used the pi button. So it's coming up to 6280. 17 out of 20 teens, so they eat breakfast every morning. What is a reasonable prediction? Anytime you see this word right there, prediction, I'm doing prediction is a proportion. So 17 out of 20 is equal to x and a 1280. So 20x 17 times 1280, 21,760. Then I'm going to divide that by 20. So I'll take that answer, divide it by 20. Get 1,088. All right. So I cross multiplied, then I divided by that coefficient. All right, 55 through 58 refer to that spinner. Looks like it has 8 sections. What is probably an odd number? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. It simplifies to 1/2. What is the probability of 1, then 5 when spinning the spinner shown twice? So a 1 is a probability of 1/8. And then 5, so and is going to be a multiply. 5 is 1/8. 1/8 times 1/8 comes out to 1/64. What is the probability of spinning a letter? It's only numbers. It's impossible. That's a 0 probability. What is the probability of an event occurring is certain? That's 1 out of 1, 100%. So that could also be 1 out of 1 or 100%. 59, you're going to spin a spinner numbered 1 through 4 and flip a coin. List on all the different combinations you can get. So you can get 1 heads, 1 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, 3 heads, 3 tails, 4 heads, 4 tails. Okay. What is the spot probability of spinning an even number and a heads? Well, there's one, and there's one. So that's 2, and there were 8 probabilities. So the probability of even and a heads is 2 out of 8, which simplifies down to 1 out of 4. Okay, last one for the day. Store raised the price of a shirt from 20 to 65. What is the percent increase? This one is always challenging. Percent increase is the amount of change. So if I go from 65 to 25, that was a $40 change compared to the original. So it went from 25 to 65. So 40 over 25 is equal to X over 100. So we'll have 4,000 equals 25X. Let's do it. 4 divided by 25. 4,000 divided by 25. And we're at, so X is equal to 160. That's 160%. That seems like a lot, but that went up more than the amount it started at. All right. Look over those. Make sure you're ready for the check-in tomorrow.